Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is a special edition of Cypher Session. Today is March 3rd, 2022. I am the Abundant Alchemist, aka Manolo. I'm holding it down here for Cypher Session as Yo Knows and Enrique are out at the Chainlink meetup. I believe it's in New York City. So I wanted to come here and simply go over the Bitcoin chart and go over one or two stories with you guys. Bear with me as I get my screen shared with you all. Um, I am normally not the one who does this, so please bear with me as I get it all in place. Let's see if we could get this done in a timely manner. And boom. Let's see here. Let's see, one take. Let's see if I can get this done for you guys. All right, I think I have the screen shared. I won't be able to see it as I am sharing it. Let's hope that this is going as I planned. So let me kind of clear this up for you. I will have no way of knowing until this is all done. But okay, we're currently at 42 on 139, as you can see here on the Binance chart. Actually, I want to show you the Coinbase chart because I don't like seeing that long wick that happened due to liquidity issues uh, weeks back. Okay. So here we are, 42, 176 on Coinbase. We saw a double bottom here form, which tends to be bullish. Uh, we are experiencing the next level of resistance at 45K, just about here. We are, just quite a ways from breaking that resistance. So I expect us to possibly even go down further, maybe to 41K. We have good support there. Let me make this a little larger for you guys. So 41K is a possibility to retrace back to at about these levels. I have alerts at all these lines. Never mind that. But the moral of the story here is, we're up 30% over the past week, where we were at a low of 34,391, right there. And we managed to have this amazing candle for the day of the 28th of February, right? And since we touched as high as, let's see here, 45, 371, wicked down, and here we are. So we're still down 35.97% from the record high earlier, November 9th. And if you want to read more on this, you could feel free to read the story here on You Today. Bitcoin forming bullish double bottom pattern, says Fidelity executive. So if you want to read, you could see just exactly what it was that I was describing. Here in his chart, you could see the double bottom there and where I believe he's placing resistance at 45,829. So, seeing Bitcoin get to 46 will be a good place. It would be bullish. And that is, as far as Bitcoin goes, clearly good news for the bulls. Along with this bullish news, the market cap, which means, if you take the amount of money in crypto. It has passed $2 trillion as major cryptos have surged. This story is of March 2nd, 2022 at CoinDesk. Um, Crypto market was last 2 trillion in August of last year. In the last week, Bitcoin has jumped nearly 14%, and Ether has risen 12. So actually, yeah, that did sound weird in the last article saying it was up 30% over the past week. That is incorrect. Sorry about that. 14%. Okay. And in the story, it goes over Terra Luna token having a great rise, climbing nearly 70% during the last week, now trading at about 94. I could take a look at that for you and show you, fellas and ladies, what that looks like on the charts. I know I have a lot of things open. God, I hope that you guys can see this. I'm kind of moving on faith here, but okay. So as you can see, this W forming, whenever you see a W, this is on the daily chart, tends to be very bullish. You tend to want to get in after this happens right here and ride out that price action. We have seen highs on Binance of 96. Now it seems there's a bit of resistance there. I personally would have traded out and wait for it to fall. Let's see if we could get some Fibonacci action going on here from bottom to top. So won't be surprised if in the next coming days we see $72, $73. 75 is a psychological number. So that is possible, right? To retest around this level before continuing. Although that kind of happened here, but we didn't touch this next Fibonacci level. So I think the logical thing to do would be kind of to mimic this action on the reverse side, though, before we take off. You see that happening a lot on the charts. In particular, if we go to Bitcoin on the 4-hour, I noticed that there it tends to be a bit of a formation that looks, oh, that's a lot of graffiti there. Let me kind of ease you into this. So it looks like we're kind of forming the right side mirror equivalent of what's gone on here on the left side, right? And that's what I wanted to show you guys. But it's looking good. We've had a lot of bullish momentum, and I wouldn't necessarily ape in, maybe dollar cost average a little now, and after we break past 45, add on some more into the bag. Just know that we have room till about 35K before I would be weary. So there's a lot of wiggle room at the moment, but clearly you don't want to go all in right now if there is potential for us to retest those levels, right? Okay, Solana and other layer 1 tokens like Avalanche and Polkadot have also risen. Solana has gained 18.5 this week, while AVAX is about 16% and Polkadot nearly 13%. So again, as I've said on my own channel, you don't want to chase, right? You may want to wait for these to retrace a bit before you get in a significant position on these coins. Bitcoin has a market cap of about 835 billion, while the ruble has a market cap of around 626 billion. So clearly, Bitcoin doing better than the ruble, as it's been taking a pounding by other nations. Let's see here. This other story, um, speaking on Curve Finance, thanks to Amb Crypto, speaking about certain things that could go wrong for CRV's bullish thesis. I think CRV actually looks quite bullish. They go into the article stating that, if Bitcoin goes down, alts like CRV will surely follow it. But I think that we've seen the bottom. Let's take a look here. So there is a falling wedge pattern, which they describe in the article. And here it is. I'll illustrate it for you guys and girls. Let's see. Actually, let me go into the day chart. There we go. And it looks like this. Boom, boom, right? Falling wedge pattern. So we have some room to kind of go to follow this pattern, I would say, before there is a point of making a decision. So as you could see, it could possibly bounce down to here. I don't think that's going to happen. And the reason why, again, is if we go into our trusted Fibonacci levels. Let's see here. We draw our fibs. Of course, that's considering that this is the bottom, right? Because if we see a lower low, I don't know, that may not be too bullish, but let's see. Descending wedge, right? So I think we have a good support level at about the $2 mark. And the first target could be 444, just a little past $4. We have a green dot on market cipher on the daily. This true trend indicator is showing me that we are about to flip bullish. So I think, considering all that and the RSI being at a nice 43% level, far from being overbought at this level, we're looking good for Curve Finance. And I think that'll be it for now. I wanted to cover more on Chainlink. Honestly, I didn't get to read this. I'm a bit tired. I just wanted to hop on here and let me close this and just go over what I see on the charts. I have exited a couple of trades, waiting for these alts to retrace. And once I see a support level, I'll be getting back in. But besides that, it's I would say it's like hurry up and wait type of situation. Not much to do. All right. Hope this helps you. Stay tuned for our next Cypher session as a group, where we will have more goodies and we have some very, very nice interviews lined up for you guys. Enrique and Johan have been hard at work, getting some very interesting individuals that will join us. Looking forward to that. Just under 15 minutes. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will be placing links below, affiliate links. Please show support. And any questions, please leave it in the comments. Have a wonderful um, Friday. Peace.